Hello guys, today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to at first find the power button on your headphones. It's this one right here. Keep holding this button till you see this LED light over here, with the one where is this LED light, till you see this LED light going crazy. Oh, this, here it is. It should just blink white, flash white, and it should take around 20 seconds. You should, apart from that, hear a tone, and we need to start with our headphones turned off. So let's keep holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. As you can see, 13 seconds. That's the factory reset. Bye!